Okay.
Okay, stop.
Huh?
Stop. So today we're gonna discuss. What the heck was that? Wait, get down so they can see
Alright.
you and your slime balls. Slime balls. Slime balls. Wake up!
Hello.
Stretch. It's the bubble. Ooh, let's do a slime quad. That's what I like to call them.
What?
Okay, we're gonna set our camera up right here. We're gonna try and do a slime quad.
And whoever makes the biggest slime ever.
That's not what I wanted. Okay, come here.
Me too.
Okay, put your slime down. Put your slime down real quick. Go put your slime down over there.
Why?
Because what we're gonna do contains only one slime, not two.
You. Never mind, and I
No, this is how. Peyton, will you do this with me? Because Wyatt doesn't understand.
Okay.
Put my slime down.
Okay.
Yeah, come here. Okay, okay, let's do this. Come, you have to get in the camera. Grab the slime right here. No, not like that. Stop, or else you're not going to be in this video.
I know, you have to tell me.
Okay, grab right here, and with your underhair, grab right here. Okay, let it on the ground.
Yes.
You can have. Okay, can I have it back? Now get your slime. Get it out. Yeah. Help! Stop!
Lila.
What? No! Oh my God! If you threw that, your mom would freaking kill you.
Watch out, I'm gonna throw it at the door.
Okay.
Was that my slime?
Maybe.
You better clean it.
I'm innocent. Watch out! Because you're gonna get borax in your eye.
No, what's wrong?
Give
I
it.
know you did it
I'm
dirty.
innocent.
Okay.
I don't want it. Give it back. Wyatt. Wyatt, give it back. I was the first one to put that slime. I'll freaking grab you by the shirt if you don't give it back.
I can make these two slimes together.
If you do, Peyton's gonna kill you.
No, she won't. She'll kill my mom. She won't. Mama queen. Video? I think.
Give it. I have the right to kill him. Then I will. Yes, I got it. I've got some. Give it.
Not all of it. I have.
Haha. Get it down on the ground. I'm not killing him. He's just rude. Come here. Give it.
Mama queen.
Then give it.
Hang on.
If I light you up, you're not gonna give it to me.
Yes, I will.
Then give it. Give it now. Give it to me and I'll light you up.
Stop.
I don't care.
I'm gonna put it in deeper.
Then I'm gonna hurt you more. Give it. Give it or I'm gonna tell Winter. What, deep? Give it.
You made it.
You're the person who grabbed it, so that's why you have it stuck to you. Stop, Wyatt! You were doing just fine the first time that I got it off you. Now you're watching your own stuff.
No.
I'm not your baby. We each have our own swamp slimes, Wyatt. So,
This is a slime challenge.
these lights are killing this light. That's perfect. No, because they will not have good. No! Ew! Okay, now we have perfect lighting.
How about cake at the floor? The floor is lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm not participating in that.
One.
Ooh, should we do the floor is lava challenge with our slimes?
Yeah, and
Everyone, the floor is lava.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shall you participate? Peyton, this is for the views.
Yo,
I'm just
Papa,
kidding. It's not for anything.
you understand that you slime up in there, whoever catches it wins. Then your turn.
I am a master at softball, so.
Then you are, I am.
Mama! She's dead. It freaking hit me in the face! Wyatt, entertain these beautiful people.
Let me pull it.
What are you doing?
Mama. Mom, he must have putting in the ground. And he put two of his hands on his feet.
Is that slime? Yeah. Oh, why you would have made so nasty by putting it on the ground?
I stopped throwing it. I can catch it with low. I want to know where it's going.
Hi, will you pick up those markers right there, please?
Oh, Mama.
That's loud.
Oh my God, that's
What do y'all want for dinner?
I don't know. Me neither.
What do you want to eat? We're all having pizza. You can get that out your hand. What's this pizza?
Lila, look. I'm a master at catching.
Watch out, because I'm going to get this in the
I'm
face.
gonna go over there.
Oh, come on, let's take the camera with us.
Yeah, get your phone.